Hey there, gorgeous. Welcome to the exciting world of digital design. Ever dream of being your own boss? Imagine waking up every day, grabbing your favorite cup of coffee, and diving into a world where your creativity knows no bounds. Selling beautiful designs from your couch? Yes, it's not just a dream anymore. With the rise of digital platforms, you can turn your passion into a thriving business right from the comfort of your home. It's totally possible with the digital design boom. The market for digital products is expanding rapidly, and there's never been a better time to get involved. People are craving unique graphics, templates, and digital downloads. From social media templates to printable art, the demand is skyrocketing. That's where you come in. Your creativity can fill this growing need. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, there's a place for you in this booming market. Etsy is a fantastic platform to sell your creations. It's user-friendly and has a massive audience looking for unique digital products. It's like a giant online craft fair, but everything is digital. No need to worry about shipping or inventory. Just create, upload, and sell. No shipping headaches, just pure creative joy. You can focus on what you love, designing, and let the platform handle the rest. And guess what? You don't need to be a design pro. With the right tools and a bit of creativity, anyone can create stunning digital products. AI tools like Leonardo.ai and Runway ML are changing the game. These tools make it easier than ever to create professional quality designs. You can create stunning visuals in seconds, even with zero design experience. Amazing, right? These tools are designed to help you bring your ideas to life effortlessly. Ready to unleash your inner entrepreneur? Let's dive in. The world of digital design is waiting for you, so grab your laptop, fire up those creative juices, and let's get started on this exciting journey together. Etsy is a goldmine for digital creators. It's bursting with customers eager to buy unique designs for their websites, social media, and creative projects. Think of Etsy as your online storefront. You get to curate your own shop, set your prices, and connect with customers worldwide. It's a beautiful thing. But remember, clarity is key. Make sure your shop clearly states that you sell digital downloads. No physical products, just instant creative gratification. Now let's talk AI. Platforms like Leonardo.ai and Runway ML are your secret weapons for creating stunning designs even if you can't draw a straight line. Think of these AI tools as your personal design assistants. You give them a prompt, say, create a watercolor logo with a floral wreath and the words handmade with love. Boom! AI works its magic and generates multiple design options. Pretty cool, huh? Experiment with different prompts, styles, and keywords. The more specific you are, the better the results. And don't be afraid to let your creativity run wild. Ready to build your digital empire? Setting up your Etsy shop is a breeze. First, choose a catchy and memorable shop name, something that reflects your brand and the amazing designs you'll be selling. Next, it's time to stock your shop. Create high-quality digital products that people will love. Think printables, social media templates, website graphics. The possibilities are endless. Once your shop is looking fabulous, it's time to shout it from the rooftops. Promote your Etsy shop on social media, your website, and to your email list. Let the world know about your digital creations. Section 5. Crafting your digital treasures. Now let's talk about creating your digital masterpieces. In today's digital age, the tools at our disposal are more powerful and versatile than ever before. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, the possibilities are endless. AI tools are incredible for generating designs, offering a plethora of options that can spark your creativity. These tools can analyze vast amounts of data to provide you with unique patterns, color schemes, and even layout suggestions. But remember to add your personal touch. While AI can provide a great starting point, it's your unique perspective and creativity that will make the design truly yours. Think of it as a collaboration between you and the technology. Think of AI as your creative partner. It can handle the repetitive tasks and provide inspiration, but the final vision and execution are in your hands. This partnership allows you to focus on what you do best, being creative. It can help you brainstorm ideas, generate initial designs, and even suggest improvements. The brainstorming process becomes more dynamic and interactive, allowing you to explore a wider range of possibilities. and speed up the process. But your unique style, eye for detail, and personal touch are what will make your designs truly shine. It's these elements that will set your work apart from the rest. Your personal touch is the essence of your work. It's what makes your designs stand out and resonate with others. So, while AI can assist, never underestimate the power of your own creativity. Remember to organize your designs in a way that makes sense to you. Use clear file names and create folders for different categories. This organization will save you time and frustration in the long run. And create folders for different categories. This way, you can easily locate your files when you need them, ensuring a smooth and efficient workflow. This will make it super easy to find what you need, especially as your collection grows. As you accumulate more designs, a well-organized system becomes even more crucial, especially as your collection grows. A growing portfolio is a sign of your evolving skills and creativity. Keeping it organized will help you track your progress and make it easier to showcase your work to potential clients or collaborators. Okay, you've got amazing designs ready to go. Now it's time to make them shine on your Etsy shop. First impressions are everything. Use high-quality images that show off your designs in all their glory. You can even use mock-ups to help customers visualize how they can use your products. Next, write clear and concise product descriptions that highlight the benefits of your designs. Use keywords that potential customers might be searching for. Don't forget to choose the right pricing. Research similar products on Etsy to get a sense of what the market will bear. And remember, you can always adjust your prices later. Digital delivery is a beautiful thing. No more trips to the post office. Yay! Etsy makes it super easy to deliver your digital files instantly upon purchase. Once a customer buys your design, they'll receive an email with a download link. It's that simple. Make sure your files are in a universally accessible format, like a zip file. You can also include a friendly thank you note with your download link. It's a small touch that can make a big difference in creating a positive customer experience. Want to know the secret sauce to Etsy success? Don't be afraid to peek behind the curtain of your competitors. Check out what's working for other sellers in your niche. What are they selling? How are they pricing their products? What keywords are they using? Once you've got a handle on Etsy, why stop there? Expand your digital empire to other platforms like Creative Market, Redbubble, and your own website. The more places you sell your designs, the more eyes you'll reach. Hold on, superstar. Before you dive headfirst into the fascinating world of AI-generated art, there's something crucial we need to discuss. Before you go full steam ahead with AI-generated designs, let's talk ethics. The allure of creating stunning visuals with just a few clicks is undeniable, but with great power comes great responsibility. The world of AI art is still new, and there are important legal and ethical considerations. It's a rapidly evolving field, and staying informed is key to navigating it successfully. For example, who owns the copyright to AI-generated images? This question isn't just academic, it has real-world implications for artists and creators. Can you legally sell them? Do your research. The legal landscape around AI-generated content is still being shaped, and understanding your rights and obligations is crucial. Familiarize yourself with the terms of service for the AI tools you're using. Each platform may have different rules and restrictions, and it's your responsibility to know them. And when in doubt, consult with a legal professional. They can provide guidance tailored to your specific situation, helping you avoid potential pitfalls. Remember, it's important to use AI ethically and responsibly. This means not only understanding the legal aspects, but also considering the broader impact of your work. With a little knowledge and care, you can create a thriving digital business while respecting the evolving landscape of AI art. Embrace the technology, but do so with a mindful approach. Now, go out there and make your digital dreams a reality. The future of art is in your hands, and with ethical practices, you can be a pioneer in this exciting new frontier.